Hi guys, good morning. I'm heading to my destination in Mandug, Davao City for a job. I have to conduct an inspection, a project inspection in the barangay of Mandug. I'm heading to Barangay Mandug. Just stay tuned for further update on my destination, guys. Unta makatabang ng video ha. Malay mo mag-viral, di ba? Kabalo. Muna yung ginahimon ako mostly everyday. Daily routine. From office down to other places where we have projects implemented. So all I have to do is completely on monitoring, follow-up accomplishment, materials, yes, mostly ganun lang umiikot yung trabaho ko everyday. Yeah, this is still part of Barangay Kabantian. Onward going to Indangan, I think. Yeah. Still on my way to Indangan. This is still part of Barangay Kabantian, Davao City. Look at that. Mall, Kabantian, located at North Town Village. Yeah. Yeah, that's Central 911. This is the sub-office of the North, wherein it accommodates calls, emergencies within Buhangin area, Central or Indangan, Mahayag, Acacia, Mahayag, no? Indangan, Kabantian. Doon ang kinikita na itong 911 Central. Sub-office po nila po. Heading to Deca, Indangan. And in few meters we will turn left, Ciudades, going to Mandog. Yeah. That's our destination today. Yeah, this is it. We will turn left to proceed to Ciudades and going to Mandog proper. Yeah, this is it. There is an upcoming event, nationwide event here in Ciudades. I think it's coming August. Watch out for that, guys. Look at that. What do you think? That's an amazing view, right? Yes, this is it. You seen it, guys? Hi guys, andito na po tayo guys sa Barangay Mandog po. Ito po yung barangay proper po. I have to make a courtesy call with the barangay Ray Ototan as the barangay captain. So konting ano lang, konting greetings or say discussion meeting with the existing project that we had in his barangay. So see you in a bit, guys, or thank you for watching, guys, for this video, and thank you for your support. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Salamat.